Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure the PSB battery shows at least 50% and preferably 80%. This prevents shutdown mid-flash. Once done, copy the memory stick data to your PC so saves and media are safe. Then connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Unstable connectivity can corrupt firmware. Navigate in the XMB to Settings, select System Update, and choose Update via Internet. This starts the official download and verifies your model, which ensures you get the correct firmware version. You will see a download progress indicator followed by integrity checks. This sequence confirms the firmware package is intact. During the download and the installation step, do not power off the PSB, close the lid, or remove the battery. Interruptions risk bricking the system. The installer unpacks files, copies them to system partitions, and then applies the update. This can take several minutes. If you instead use the memory stick method, make sure the official update files are in /psb/games/update and run the updater from games. Once installation finishes, the PSB reboots automatically. Wait until the home menu returns before doing anything. You should immediately verify the firmware version under Settings System Information to confirm success. Then restore your backed up memory stick files if they were removed. If the update fails or the system behaves oddly, first try formatting the memory stick on a PC and reattempt the official update. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. If problems persist, contact Sony support for repair guidance. Do not attempt unsafe hacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.